Ogolo. I want to make you end this yarn with this your own particular
this particular gist.
I did tell you this thing. My own, no, just try. End down with your own.
All right.
When I wait this
all
gist.
those boyfriend and girlfriend, where they like to do some kind, say bedroom not do na again.
Illegal.
Say I want to do illegal things.
Illegal.
You understand? Because some people they like to do these things for different.
No, they like adventure.
Adventure.
You know.
Just want to do. Okay,
they like to experiment.
Experiment. Just start.
You know, they don't want to be boring.
Jeez. No, say baby, let's try this thing somewhere else.
Yeah.
You know, different people. Again. Now this couple, they get 18 years old, and the particular guy now being Bobo, 29 years old guy. Hey. So they carry waka out. No be one car dealer shop. They go where they sell motor.
No be even where they park car.
No be even where they sell motor. Then they go there. One particular day like that, they just climb on top of the motor. Now then they start to do. Hey, liaba.
When they make noise.
When they make noise, join. Eh? Say at least if you try to even reduce the volume of the noise.
Make shame even catch you small.
Make small shame even catch you. No. Now one person when come they pass. Maybe that one come look for motor too. Come pass. You see, see where Bobo and baby want to sit there on top motor. He waga. He can't say make it start to talk. And they start to jump up, wear cloth, do every night. She can't carry phone. You see, I see their picture now. And a black man. You understand? Black man, white woman, you know, interracial.
The person call police for the street. You know, so for that side, they know they...
No time.
Police straight.
They also call police. Bail. And police come there, bail up, two of them. Bail up! They come out from the motor. They kind of go police station for different things.
The guy, he spit on top one of the police officers' face. Say, come on, why you holding me? And that one self na girl. Now the police vest. Carry and go because na girl. You know whether you don't say where they don't.
Instead, when they look, say, look at you people. Maybe she now don't get cobwebs for different places.
Maybe nobody don't service them. You know.
You understand?
They call the service one small girl. They pour and spit.
They can't pour me spit on top of the whole thing.
Woman say, we'll see. Maybe we leave this police custody.
But as it be like this, they don't charge them go into the court things and prison matter. I mean, they know how every good thing go. But for you couple, they like to do all this kind of thing. I don't hear of one they say they like to do it for graveyard.
Which kind talk be this?
For graveyard, not be joke. For graveyard.
But you know, say it gets some kind of crazy things where even married couples they do these days. You go, they wonder.
It's an adventure. Different adventure. So, but make everybody just be very, very careful. All right. So, even as you do your adventure thing, you get one picture what they see. Where they say kissing in the rain is very romantic. Until thunder fire 12.
Now the money and I go finish 12 now. I beg you, go enter laugh the laugh, OJ. You feel like toy. The be like toy.
I say. Now, so they take train picking now, you go get muzzle.
Yes, so.
You say for small people, say the children of these days now. Before children, when they come out, it's different.
Yeah.
Now children, they come out, they open eye.
They open eye.
The eye just open like this. My neighbor born one last time. When the pikin come out, I come out with muzzle, tattoo.
Oh, bolo.
If you see tattoo,
I beg, come on.
Don't be joking.
Come on, dear. I beg, I don't turn my back.
Head for the armpit.
Come on.
Head for the armpit.
At least me, I talk so for London, then borrow my family members. For me, now, all the street of London, now we get them. This is your own lie, don't be.
No, but those children these days, I can't carry the shirts up if you see 6 pack.
Oh, go. I bet more enter the next laugh, the laugh. Which kind? I won't slap you.
All right, more pictures where we see things. How to laugh, the laugh at every. Yeah. This one, the ambulance, too bad. Even the cow where they carry the ambulance said the cow self need ambulance.
And they tell you something, the cow is sick.
The cow need it. All right, next picture.
Back to back.
God, time you have not there. Yeah.
More now they stop. They give us all this about village people picture. More we don't want.
This guy, he be like people they qualifying.
Which kind of thing be this? Or na your village people? This guy will be your distant relation. You just they talk anyhow.
If he be, you say if you're of our side now, we don't carry arms.
If he be your distant relation. On to the next.
The guy be like somebody who knows.
You see him?
You see him? On the Calabash P.
You see him?
If you look this person where?
He resemble you.
No, he get height, he resemble you.
He resemble you.
Somewhere, he resemble you.
Somewhere.
But say bullet no go pass this Calabash in head.
No.
Bullet no go pass this one.
No.
I be they rub juju on top. Forget this thing. If bullet pass this thing now, pure, you go see hole for head.
Camel inside motor car.
Camel.
Wow.
Hey, the camel self look, say, come. Now, yeah, one die today, Abi. Eh? Now, not gonna come carry me. Come. How did they put him inside in the first place?
No.
Abi, they build the motor around the camel.
Hell.
Now, what for things?
Right.
Abba. Now, your load work basic crowd. All right, this is Maiwa going back to the village. This can happen very, very soon.
You will go back to village.
You go sing that song. Remember that song they sing that year? I don't tire. I dey go back to my village.
No,
I dey go tell Coco.
As they sing like that, it resembles the original song. You know, say we dey remix. We be star.
Yes.
No, this year we don't blow.
Yes. Which kind of blow?
We don't make money. We don't blow. Forget.
When I say blow,
this one now. No, be that type. No be that type. When they agree and do election, no be that type. We dey talk say we don't make money now. We don't arrive.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So when you dey sing that song, you go sing out with swag.
Oh yeah, sing.
I don't tire. I don't tire. I dey go back to my village.
Yeah.
I don't tire. I dey go back to my village. Oga, chop. Why did they to chop again? Yo, Oga, chop as chop. Why did they like to chop? Rap.
I don't tire. I did go back, come to my up in the tire. Oh my daddy. We no go sell.
We go sell. We go sell this thing.
You don't say we don't go sell.
We go sell. If you don't eat my car, you go like that. Why this one no go sell?
Forget that year.
Why this one no go sell? If things like they go post, they go
that year,
forget we go sell.
But I bet
remember they do this year.
The video we play just now, that guy they using leg, they play guitar just now. That's very inspirational something. All right, so he show you say anything is possible. Never look yourself say you know if you achieve some kind of things. You understand me? You know everything is very, very possible because look at the inside. Okay, the things that when you not get means say you don't need them. Everything where you go need to become who you need to be for this life don't already dey inside you. So make use of them. And this year, make sure say this year things happen.
They talk like this, fear they catch me.
Ladies and gentlemen, on this P, make sure follow us on top Twitter, okay? At Wazobia PADI on top Twitter, at Wazobia PADI, and then from there we'll know how everything will take the B. You understand me now? So on this level, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know whether I might get anything to talk to now, but for me like this now, things don't finish for this show. We don't finish. You know what it do? Huh? Like, hey!